In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to helium10.com, and then you want to click on either login or free 7-day trial at the top right. I'm going to click on free 7-day trial to actually sign up. And then here it's going to say get started. You can either sign up with Google or sign up with your name, email, and password. So of course here, this is up to you which one you want to do. I'm going to sign up with Google right now. And then you want to click on one of your, of course, emails you would like to use. And then after that's done, it's going to basically sign you into your account. And here you're going to be asked a few questions at first. So for me, it's going to take me direct to the pricing because I have used up my free trial already, as you can see. But for you, you'll be able to put in some of your info. For example, what you want to learn with that, what you want to do with it, etc. And some basic stuff. You want to answer those questions. It's going to take less than a minute actually. And after that, you'll be able to activate your free trial, and then you will get a 7-day free trial. And after that expires, you will have to basically use one of their plans. So they have the starter, the platinum, and the diamond. So it's going to be up to you which one you actually want to use. But this is how you actually sign up and create an account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.